Sun-drenched beaches, dramatic mountains, ancient history, and vibrant culture. Cyprus has it all. Are you craving an unforgettable Mediterranean escape? In this video, we'll unveil the top 10 places you shouldn't miss on your Cypriot adventure. From the legendary birthplace of Aphrodite to charming mountain villages steeped in tradition, we'll cover hidden gems and must-see landmarks. Whether you're a history buff seeking ancient ruins, a beach bum yearning for turquoise waters, or an adventurer craving outdoor thrills, Cyprus has something for everyone. So pack your bags, crank up the volume, and get ready to discover the magic of this captivating island nation, one Colossi Castle. Standing guard amidst Cyprus's verdant wine region, Colossi Castle beckons history buffs and architecture lovers. This 13th century Crusader stronghold transformed over the centuries, reflecting the island's rich tapestry. Explore the halls once occupied by the Knights Templar. Climb the winding staircase to the rooftop for panoramic Mediterranean views, and marvel at the impressive sugar production facilities added during the Lusignan period. Colossi Castle isn't just a monument, it's a testament to Cyprus's cultural evolution. Don't miss the on-site museum's intriguing artifacts and informative exhibits that bring the castle's fascinating past to life, allowing you to imagine the lives of those who walked these halls centuries ago. To Troodos Mountains, escape the Cypriot sunshine and delve into the cool embrace of the Troodos Mountains. This verdant mountain range, a crown jewel of the island, offers a refreshing escape with its charming villages, historical significance, and stunning natural beauty. Hike through pine forests along scenic trails, encountering cascading waterfalls and hidden monasteries clinging to cliffsides. Kayak on sparkling lakes, or cycle on winding mountain roads, breathing in the crisp mountain air. History buffs can explore ancient ruins like the UNESCO-listed archaeological site of Tomassos, or delve into the rich religious heritage at Kikos Monastery, the wealthiest and most magnificent in Cyprus. Foodies can savor local delicacies in traditional mountain tavernas, indulging in dishes infused with fresh mountain herbs and seasonal ingredients. Whether you seek adventure, cultural immersion, or a serene escape, the Troodos Mountains offer an unforgettable experience in the heart of Cyprus. 3. Nissi Beach. Cyprus's dazzling coastline boasts many gems, but Nissi Beach reigns supreme for those seeking vibrant energy and picture-perfect shores. Imagine soft, golden sand tickling your toes as turquoise waters lap gently at the shore. Sunbathers soak up the Mediterranean rays, while water sports enthusiasts can partake in parasailing, jet skiing, or windsurfing adventures. For the less adrenaline-inclined, crystal-clear waters beckon for snorkeling or diving, revealing a hidden world teeming with colorful fish. Beach bars and restaurants line the shore, offering refreshing cocktails and delicious Cypriot cuisine to fuel your beach day. As the day winds down, the vibrant nightlife kicks in, with beach bars transforming into pulsating open-air clubs where you can dance under the starlit sky. Nissi Beach offers something for everyone: relaxation under the Cypriot sun, thrilling water activities, and an unforgettable nightlife experience. 4. Coral Bay. Idyllic Coral Bay beckons sun-seekers and families to Cyprus's southwestern shores. This crescent-shaped haven boasts a beautiful stretch of soft white sand, perfect for unwinding with the gentle Mediterranean waves lapping at your toes. Lifeguards ensure safety for all, while clear waters entice snorkelers and provide a calm playground for kayakers and paddleboarders. Kids revel in building sandcastles and splashing in the shallows, while restaurants lining the beach offer refreshing drinks and delicious meals to fuel your beach day. Adventurous souls can explore nearby sea caves or embark on a thrilling jet ski ride. As the sun dips below the horizon, paint the sky with fiery hues. Coral Bay transforms into a haven for relaxation. Enjoy a leisurely stroll along the beach promenade, savor fresh seafood at a beachfront taverna, or simply unwind at a cozy bar, soaking in the balmy Cypriot evening. 5. Petra to Romiou. Petra to Romiou, also known as Aphrodite's Rock. Legends abound at this dramatic location, where a giant rock formation emerges from the foamy sea. One tale claims it's the birthplace of the Greek goddess of love Aphrodite rising from the waves. Another credits a Byzantine hero with heaving the rocks into place to ward off invaders. Explore the surrounding pebbled beach and take a refreshing dip in the cool Mediterranean waters. Sunbathe on the shore with the awe-inspiring rock as your backdrop, or embark on a scenic boat trip for a different perspective. While swimming near the rock itself isn't permitted, locals believe that those who complete 3 swims around it will be blessed with beauty, love, or eternal youth. Whether you're a history buff, a romance seeker, or simply captivated by natural beauty, Petra Tau Romiou offers a unique and unforgettable Cypriot experience. 6 Limassol Marina. Limassol Marina in Cyprus offers a luxurious blend of yachting culture, waterfront dining, and upscale shopping. Picture a haven for gleaming yachts bobbing gently in turquoise waters, surrounded by a vibrant atmosphere. Stroll along the palm-lined promenade, browsing designer boutiques or admiring the impressive vessels moored nearby. Indulge in a gourmet meal at a waterfront restaurant, savoring fresh seafood dishes with breathtaking sea views. The marina caters to every taste, offering cafes for casual bites, ice cream parlors for a sweet treat, and bars for a refreshing drink as the sun sets over the Mediterranean. Art enthusiasts can explore the nearby Limassol Castle, a historical landmark steeped in medieval charm. For a touch of luxury, pamper yourself at a spa or browse upscale boutiques for unique souvenirs. Whether you're a yachting enthusiast, a gourmand, or simply seeking a sophisticated waterfront experience, Limassol Marina promises an unforgettable visit. 7 Pano Lefkara. Nestled in Cyprus's Troodos Mountains, Pano Lefkara enchants visitors with its rich history and tradition of exquisite Lefkaritica lace. Wander through charming cobbled streets lined with traditional houses, their balconies overflowing with vibrantly colored bougainvillea. Immerse yourself in the village's cultural heritage by visiting the Lefkara Lace Museum, where intricate designs and the meticulous craft are brought to life. Witness local artisans meticulously creating these beautiful pieces using age-old techniques passed down through generations. Explore local shops and browse through a treasure trove of handcrafted lace tablecloths, napkins, and garments, each piece a testament to the village's artistic legacy. Don't miss the opportunity to try your hand at lace making under the guidance of a local expert, or savor a delicious Cypriot meal at a cozy taverna, soaking in the warm hospitality of Pano Lefkara. 8 Makronissos Beach. Cyprus's Makronissos Beach offers a delightful mix of relaxation and historical intrigue. Stretch out on the golden sand and soak up the warm Mediterranean sun, or cool off with a refreshing dip in the crystal-clear waters. History buffs can delve into the past at the nearby archaeological tombs, remnants of an ancient civilization. Underwater adventures await snorkelers and scuba divers, with vibrant marine life teeming around the rocky outcrops. Beach bars and restaurants provide refreshments and delicious meals to fuel your beach day. Makronissos Beach caters to families with its shallow waters and calm atmosphere, while offering a touch of history for the curious explorer. A 9 St. Hilarion Castle. Perched majestically atop a mountain peak on Cyprus's northern coast, St. Hilarion Castle offers a captivating blend of history, breathtaking vistas, and architectural wonder. Originally a 13th century Crusader stronghold, the castle served as a crucial defensive point for centuries. Explore a labyrinth of chambers, courtyards, and watchtowers, each whispering tales of battles and bygone eras. Ascend to the highest point and be rewarded with panoramic views of the sparkling Mediterranean Sea and the rolling Cypriot countryside. History buffs can delve deeper at the on-site museum, while the well-preserved architecture provides a glimpse into medieval military ingenuity. St. Hilarion Castle isn't just a monument, it's a portal to Cyprus's rich past. Don't miss the chance to stand where knights once stood, guarding this strategic island nation. 10 Bellapais Abbey. Nestled amidst charming Bellapais village in northern Cyprus, Bellapais Abbey beckons history and architecture enthusiasts. This magnificent 13th century Gothic monastery, partially carved into the hillside, offers a glimpse into a bygone era. Explore the atmospheric ruins, encompassing a grand church, peaceful cloisters, and monks' quarters, each adorned with intricate carvings and remnants of frescoes. Imagine the monk's life centuries ago as you wander through the serene courtyards. Climb the bell tower for breathtaking panoramic views encompassing the village, Kyrenia coastline, and the sparkling Mediterranean Sea. Bellapais Abbey isn't just a monument, it's a testament to artistic heritage and a peaceful haven amidst the Cypriot countryside.